Looking for a great treat that is easy and of course delicious that you can create in your very own kitchen? Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have an amazing recipe for you with coconut lime cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. And now the wet ingredients. Butter makes everything taste good. Time to build the cookies. Set your timer for 15 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. The coconut originated along the coastal areas of island Southeast Asia and Melanesia around 2000 to 3000 BC. Coconuts were introduced to the Philippines by Spanish colonizers during the 17th century. Their resilience, usage, and flexibility have made them one of the most widely distributed and culturally significant plants in tropical regions worldwide. Those look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these cookies have an amazing tropical flavor combination for a refreshing twist on classic cookies. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a great cookie. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.